So let's start off. First of all, got your deck of cards. Let me scoop it up in so that way I gotta turn it like this. Perfect. All right, let's start. Okay, I'm just gonna do light, just so you know how to actually, shuffle up the cards a little bit. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3. First of all, got your deck, and say you playing with. Say we're gonna do 2 people. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you count your cards, cause sometimes people deal hands fast. That's just the way it go. And you have 1 card to start off with, right? So we're gonna move that deck to the side. We're gonna play with this one, right? So first thing we're gonna see, we're gonna look at our hand. We got a 7, we got a queen, 4, 8, and jack, right? You move down, it's a 5. We don't have anything in that, so we can't call that card. So let's look at our opponent's hand. Our opponent has a 9, 3, 6, 5, and a 3. Okay, 2 cards are the same. So these are 2 ways that you can actually hold on. You can hold them in your hand to kind of psych out your competition, or you could throw them out, and that way they're just old cards. They don't count anyway, which leaves you with a 9, 6, and a 5. So now, this is where the competition part comes from. Hold on, gotta scratch. The magic of video editing. All right. Taking it from 5, 6, and a 9. So okay. So you see you have a 9, 6, 5, 3, and a 3, right? So you have 2 matching cards already. You can hold them in your hand to kind of keep a poker-like face, so that way nobody knows exactly how many cards you have. And if you decide to play like that, then you throw out your 5 because you have that. So now that's a matching book. But now, once you match that book, you now have to replace what you just matched. So the only 2 cards you have is matching. Mine, you have this. So let me just throw that to the side. So let's throw our 9 and replace it. So you can only need a 6 to win this game if you're that hand. So, okay, no 6. So now, this is where the dealer comes into play. So you have a dealer, or normally a person that's picked as a dealer, that issue out the cards. So you have a 10 in place of the 9. It's technically this person's right here, 10. We don't have a 10 to match, right? Mind you, even though this card is flipped over, we're just showing you that they're waiting on a 6. So they know they don't have a 6. So, okay, we got a hurricane out there. It's getting wild. So we got another 10. It's now the 10 of that person. Since we know we didn't have a 10 before and they don't have a 10 there, hey, we could go ahead. Lo and behold, the 6, right? Do we have a 6? No, but they do. And guess what? They will win the game. I hope this brief introduction explained exactly what Pity Pat is, and I hope you got to enjoy a little bit about it. And if you're playing with more than one person, that's cool. The more the merrier. The rules are pretty much the same, and you go around taking turns. You know what I'm saying? Flipping out a card, and you're just replacing what you match. All right, guys, let's get back to the show.